YouTube has quietly released 7 brand new settings in 2026, and most creators don't even know this. Some of these settings can increase your views massively, and number 6 is very important as it might hurt your channel. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact settings you need to turn on and the ones you need to turn off, and where to find them in your YouTube studio. So if you're serious about growing your YouTube channel in 2026, you need to turn this on now. If you're serious about growing your YouTube channel in 2026, you need to check these settings today. So stay with me on this video. If you've not subscribed, subscribe, and let's get into the video. The first setting you need to turn on is automatic chapters. This has suddenly become much more important since YouTube launched the AI video summaries. What YouTube now does is create a quick summary of your videos, and this tells viewers what they're about to watch. And guess what? The AI uses automatic chapters to understand your content. If you want better summaries and higher click-through rates, you need to turn on automatic chapters now. The second settings you need to turn on now is let viewers hype my content. This allows viewers to hype your content, and this increases your visibility and make you have more viewers. But here's the important part. This settings was not automatically turned on for all channels. So you need to check your channel to make sure this settings is turned on. To find it, go to YouTube Studio, Settings, Channel, Advanced Settings, and scroll down. Then make sure you allow viewers to hype content is turned on. If it's already on but you haven't seen any hype yet, try turning it off, saving it, and turning it back on again. Sometimes that resets the feature. The third settings you need to check now is allow third-party AI training. These options allow other AI companies to train their model using your YouTube videos. And this means that your face, your talking style, your content ideas will be used in that model. And here's the crazy part. You don't get paid for it. No compensation, no revenue sharing, nothing at all. So unless you want your content to be used to train AI models for free, you need to turn this off now. To find it, go to your YouTube studio, go to settings, go to channel, go to advanced settings, and you scroll down. Then disable third-party AI training. The next setting is a little controversial, and it is called clips. When this is enabled, viewers can cut short clips from your long-form videos and post them as shorts or use it for whatever they want to use it for. And now this has two sides. On one hand, it helps your content spread faster and you get more viewers. On the other hand, you lose control of how your videos are being used. Most creators actually keep this off. But if your maximum goal is to get exposure, you need to turn it on. So that depends on what you want and how fast you want your channel to grow. The next feature is actually very powerful, and it is called automatic dubbing. This means YouTube can translate your videos into other languages using AI translation. For example, people in Mexico, in Spain, in Brazil can watch your content and hear it in their own language. This opens your content to millions of views globally. If this setting isn't already turned on your channel, you should turn it on right now. The sixth settings you should look at is comment moderation. Spam bots are everywhere on YouTube right now. And if your comment section is filled with spam messages, spam bots, it can hurt your channel's reputation. Even worse, the algorithm might think you paid for fake engagement. To avoid this, go to your YouTube studio, go to settings, go to community, then set your comments moderation to at least basic. But if you get a lot of spam, switch it to strict. Finally, the last settings is simple but very powerful. Make sure you enable notification for new YouTube features. Why? Because creators who grow fast on YouTube are creators who use new features early. Make sure you allow notification from YouTube Studio, from YouTube, via email, via your phone. That way, you always know when new tools and updates are released. Those are the 7 YouTube settings all creators must check in 2026. Some of these can increase your reach, while others will help protect your brand and protect your channel. Now, if you want to grow faster on YouTube, you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share, like, comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.